Hi everyone, it's Celia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the best things for you to do this summer when you're in the West Village. Before we begin our tour, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I'm a licensed real estate salesperson specializing in residential properties in the Chelsea, Village, Flatiron, Meatpacking, and Hudson Yards communities. If you're looking to rent, buy, sell, or invest in residential properties in any of these communities and you aren't already working with another agent, it will be my pleasure to assist you with the process. Great, let's get on with our tour. So the Village has numerous jazz venues if you enjoy listening to jazz. But the premier one, however, is the Village Vanguard. So the Village Vanguard was established in 1935 and it's where you have a lot of world-class jazz performers. If you have a sweet tooth, a great place for you to come and indulge your cravings is Molly's Cupcakes, located on Bleecker Street. So Molly's was founded by John Nicolaides, and he named the bakery in honor of his third grade teacher, Molly. He said that Molly always baked cupcakes whenever one of the students had a birthday. So Molly's has cookies, pies, ice cream, and they also do cakes. Another wonderful reason why you should support his bakery is that he donates a portion of his money to the community schools. So a 5 minutes walk from Molly's on Bleecker Street will take you to several other wonderful entertainment venues and eateries on McDougal Street. What you're looking at now is Cafe Wha, which is a landmark in the Village. Cafe Wha opened in 1959 and it's where some of the greats such as Jimi Hendrix, Bruce Springsteen, and Bob Dylan got their start. So it's a fun place if you enjoy rock, R&B, and jazz to come and hear some good music. For a good laugh, right next door to Comedy Cellar beside the Cafe Wha. So Comedy Cellar is where you have top comedians performing, and it's known as the Harvard of comedy clubs. It was founded by comedian turned TV writer, producer Bill Grunfest. So it's a good idea if you want to come to a performance. It's highly recommended that you make your reservations well in advance. A short stroll from McDougal Street, you have Washington Square Park. Washington Square Park is a wonderful place for you to come and stroll, sit down with a good book, do some people watching, play chess with some of the pros, and of course, listen to the street performers. Now that it's summer, the fountains are on. The final place I suggest you come and visit in the summertime is Hudson River Park. It's approximately a 10 to 15 minute stroll from Washington Square Park. So this is where we have Pier 45. So it's a fun place to come and relax. Some people have their picnics here, other people like to exercise or just watch the ships go by and take in panoramic views of both Manhattan and the Jersey City skyline. So there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's tour, and I look forward to you joining me another time for a great tour of one of the communities that I serve. So until then, you take excellent care of yourself and enjoy the rest of your day.